The Little Bird Who Forgot to Sing. There was once a little bird named Lani. Every morning the forest waited for her sweet song. But one day, Lani stopped singing. She thought, my voice isn't good enough. The forest grew silent. The flowers drooped. The wind felt heavy. Even the sun seemed less bright. One morning, Lani gathered courage. She opened her beak and sang again. The forest lit up with joy, proving that her song mattered more than she ever knew. Never hide your gift. The world needs your voice just as it is. Kids, don't be afraid to share your talents. Adults, remember, your voice can brighten someone's world.